everybody. Hi, welcome. So happy you're here. If you're returning, thank you, thank you, thank you. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have furry sidekicks that like to hang out with me. The white furry bum is Wyatt. The brown furry bum is Xena. You may see them move around throughout the video. Basically, they just like to hang out with me and doze. That's their contribution. They get paid handsomely for it in the form of many, many treats. Today, I have a Vino unboxing for you. This is the spring box. This is a seasonal subscription. It is a wine and lifestyle subscription for women, and I absolutely love this. It would be an amazing gift. Mother's Day is coming up, so keep this one in mind. It's something that would be perfect for your mom, perfect for your mother-in-law, perfect for anyone you would like to gift at Mother's Time or any time for that matter. I love the subscription. It is 5 to 6 full-size items, and you also get 2 bottles of wine. And I have a code for you. We're going to go over in just a minute. That's going to get you another goodie. All right, so the price for this one, $59.99 with my discount. Otherwise, it's $64.99, but we're going to get into all that in just a moment. Let me first dig into all the goodies. As I said, this is a lifestyle subscription, so you do get 5 to 6 lifestyle goodies plus bottles of wine. It comes 4 times a year, so it is seasonal. This one is the spring box. And then there's usually a holiday box as well, which I love. All right. And the holiday box is always right around Christmas. So right at the top, you can see here, there's all your lifestyle goodies right on top. So each box is curated to help women relax, recharge, and unwind. So that's what all the items are geared towards. Here's what I see when I open the box right on top. You always get a little pamphlet that will tell you about the items in your collection. And this one says, Vino Sips and Surprises, Oh Happy Day Box. Sip back, relax, and unwind. All right. And then inside this, it'll tell you all about the items inside your box. And we're going to go right through them. Let's do this. So first up is the Potted Plant Herbal Blossom Body Lotion. And note, this is a full size. So I already have one from a previous collection sitting in my bedroom. I use all the time. So I love that they send stuff like this because each product is useful and something that you will reach for, right? It's useful and something you want and you'll reach for. So this is Hemp Herbal Blossom Body Lotion, and it says hydrant. Oh, it says enriched with natural hemp seed oil. So the value of this one is, let's see, $20. And it says your skin will feel silky smooth with Potted Plants Herbal Blossom Body Lotion. This pillowy moisturizer, lush with natural hemp seed oil for wonderfully soft and supple skin, has a clean beauty formulation that eliminates ingredients harmful to us and the environment using fresh natural extracts. Cheers to beautiful skin with a clear conscience. Oh yes. So it is vegan, gluten-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, and cruelty-free. And then it goes on to say why we love the potted plant and talks about this company. So there's more information as well. Next up is the Back to You. These are 13-inch by 13-inch microfiber washcloths, and you get a 3-pack. So these are valued at $20, and it says that these Coral Fleece microfiber makeup removal cloths from Host & Home feature thousands of tiny hooks to lift and trap oils that build up during the day. Use daily to gently remove makeup and bring your skin back to its natural shine. There are 3 washcloths in each set, so you will always have 1 towel to use, 1 towel to wash, and 1 towel ready to go. The colors may vary. So mine are pink, and it talks about why we love Host & Home. So this goes on to talk about this company. and these are incredibly soft. Incredibly soft. I can't wait to try these. Love that. And this is what I mean by, like, I feel like every time I pull an item, it's something like I want to use. So I feel like this would make an awesome gift. And one of the things about this particular subscription, so like I said, it comes each season 4 times a year. You can change the shipping address. So if you choose to subscribe, you could choose to keep 2 of these boxes for yourself and then gift 2. So like for the spring, if you wanted to give the spring box to your mom or your mother-in-law or someone else, you could gift it just by changing the shipping label and have it sent directly to them. And then when the summer box, you decide, okay, I want to get the summer box for myself, the fall box you'd like to gift, the winter box you want to keep. Like you can mix it up and decide what you want to do just by changing the shipping address, and it keeps it really, really easy and nice. And that way you can sign up for the subscription, but you can gift it whenever you like. Keep it, one for you, one for someone else, the next one for you, the next one for someone else. Fun, right? So easy. I love that. All right, next up, what have we got? This is the Slant Collection wine glass. Oh, look how cute this is. Water is warmer, drinks are colder. Can you see that? Look at the little sandal, sunglasses. That is adorable. Everyone needs a little wine glass, right? So I think these versions could change, but it says you will have so much fun with your next girls' night with your new wine glass from Slant. These 20-ounce stemless wine glasses come in a variety of lighthearted, funny sayings and are perfect to help celebrate any occasion. You'll never miss an opportunity to sip wine in style with the Slant wine glass in hand. As I said, these are a 20-ounce glass. They may vary in design and saying, and the value is $14. All right, there's more. Next up, what is this? This is the Clip and Sip Silicone Umbrella Drink Markers. How fun is that? These are valued at $12. And it says, oh, island time. Transform any drink into a tropical treat at Infinite Island style with colorful mini umbrellas. Don't you love an umbrella drink? This is my favorite. That fits snugly on the rim of your glass. The silicone design is easy to clean and eliminates the sharp points and clumsy ice misshapes of outdated paper umbrellas. 6 bright colors make them perfect for identifying drinks at parties for adults and kids alike. Oh, fun. These are flipping adorable. I am so in love. Check these out. And see how they just clip onto the drink. Can you guys see that? That is adorable. And they're soft, like they're rubbery and soft. That is so cute. Hopefully you got, yeah, there you go. You can see how they just clip onto the side of a drink. That is so adorable. And they come in all kinds of fun colors. I love these. Love. That's adorable. I want to make a slushy drink right now. In love. All right. They almost always give you a snack, a treat, a goodie. And this box is no different. These are the Rule Breakers, plant-based and deliciously soft-baked deep chocolate brownie bites. These are valued at $5. And it says, snack time is solved with soft-baked brownie that are vegan, gluten-free, kosher, non-GMO, and free from the top 11 allergens, including nuts, dairy, eggs, sesame, soy, coconut, and wheat. Rule Breaker snacks start with chickpeas. They are the first ingredient, so they're packed with protein and fiber, have less sugar, and are deliciously gluten-free. All right, we're going to try this. Here's what they look like. It's a better-for-you treat. Great for school. They're good. Can you tell I haven't eaten yet today? These are good. while I eat in front of you. I'm so sorry, but I wanted to see if they were good. They're very good. Now I feel like I need a glass of milk. Next up, jewelry. These are the Annie Austin cream tassel earrings. They're valued at $30. Fix this. Look how cute those are. And these say, these cream tassel earrings prove that neutral doesn't have to mean boring. A new jewelry box staple, these tassel earrings from Annie Austin are the lightweight way to zhuzh up any outfit. Tarnish resistant, hypoallergenic, and nickel free. These earrings will be your new fave in your jewelry closet. They're 3 inches long and 1.75 inches wide. We're going to try those on. The total value of this collection, this whole box, is $149. But if we add in the free gifts, if you use my code, which is HAPPY, then you get an extra bottle of wine for life. And we're going to talk about the wine here in just a moment. But you will get a free bottle of wine for life, which is a retail value of $24, which will bring the value of this whole box up to $173. So by using my code HAPPY for this, then you will get $5 off that $64.99 per box subscription price, taking it down to $59.99, plus you'll get an extra bottle of wine per box for the life of the subscription. Not bad, right? Happy. And I'll put all that information down below for you. All right, here's what the earrings look like. Kind of cute, aren't they? They're very, very lightweight. I don't really feel them on. They look really cute. All right, the wine. So if you talk about the wine, that is all the lifestyle goodies, totally usable items, which I think is amazing, between the lotion, the earrings, the fun little umbrellas for the drinks, the snack, the wine glass, and of course the washcloths for your face. Okay. The wine comes in little like egg-looking crates to protect them. And you can choose between different wine clubs. So they have 4 different clubs available. They have the white wine, the red wine, a red and white wine combo, or the sweet wines. And you can choose which one that you like. The bottles are premium California and South African wines. Okay, so let's check out my first bottle here. Wyatt's ready to check it out with me. You ready to check it out, buddy? So the first up is Wicked Bliss. This is a California wine. It's a 2018. That's the first one. Then we have 2 more here because with my code, you will get an extra bottle of wine in your box for the lifetime of your subscription. So next up is New Crush. This is a California red wine blend. And the last one is a white wine. Oh, this is a Riesling. This is a Tynes California Riesling 2021. I actually really like the Riesling. This is the one that I like the best because a lot of times if I drink too much wine, I get a headache. So I tend to not do that. But the Riesling is the one that I can drink and not have an issue. All right, so what did you think? I think that they have a wide variety of wines. I love, love, love this subscription. I love that you can keep it or you can gift it. This would make an amazing Mother's Day gift or gift it anytime. They make it so easy for you so you can just change that shipping address whenever you like. $64.99 is the price per box. However, use my code HAPPY and that drops the price to $59.99 a season. Plus you get that extra bottle of wine in every box for the life of your subscription. So let me know what you thought of the Vino Oh Happy Day spring box. Please comment down below. Hit that like if you enjoyed this and you'd like to see more. Would love you hang out for the long haul. Hit that subscribe and hang out with us. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye-bye.